Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to remove apps from your MacBook Dock. So I will show you two methods to remove apps from the MacBook Dock. The first one is, let's say that I want to delete this OBS app. So the first method is by clicking on the app that you want to remove using the right button. Then go to Options and select Remove from Dock. As you see, it was disappeared. The other method to remove apps from your MacBook Dock is by drag and drop the app that you want to delete to the bin icon. As you see, the app is it was permanently deleted and not moved to the trash or the bin. And this is how to remove apps from the, and don't forget, by removing apps from here, you are only removing the app shortcut from the dock. You are not deleting it, or you are not uninstalling it. And just to be clear, and this is how to remove apps from your MacBook Dock. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.